You know, one of the difficulties singing about unity consciousness is that it's really difficult to put unity consciousness into words. It's very paradoxical. You talk about everything is one, but everything is separate, and and it doesn't. It kind of can make some good, really weird poetry, but it doesn't lend itself to ordinary, comprehensible songs. So I really enjoy working with songs like the Nigunim that don't have any words, or like the Kirtans that have just a couple of words that you repeat over and over again and you just worry about the melodies. There are some songs that I sing with words. Generally, I feel like the words are actually not really expressing the concepts of unity consciousness very well. They're kind of like reaching towards it. And then as they reach towards it, like the energy is the experience of the unity consciousness. But a lot of the songs are either about love of God or about what's going to happen when we go to heaven or whatever like that. And unity consciousness, it's not love of God. It is just being, and it's not we're going to heaven. It's we're in heaven. So that's kind of like difficult to express it really clearly. So that's why a lot of the songs that I've learnt over the years have been the kirtans and have been the nigunim. And I'm still interested to learn a lot more of them, though I am focusing on a little bit on learning some songs with words these days, just to be able to have a little bit more variety. There's also some good songs that have power, so they're not necessarily that I am thinking about the meaning of the words, but words as mantra. So it means that words have a feeling, a sound, and an energy that's carried through those words, and so they actually have a power, and different words and songs can have different kinds of power. So you get different mantras in the Indian tradition, and you also get all of the psalms in the Bible. If they're read in Hebrew, they're actually very powerful mantras. And I'm looking into learning what we have in other languages. I still have not explored Arabic. I think it will be very interesting, but that's a whole new world that I haven't got to yet. See you soon.